Did you know that India is one of the largest sources of skilled workers heading to Germany under the work visa program? This visa program is a golden ticket for professionals in IT, engineering, healthcare, and more to build a career in one of Europe's strongest economies. In today's video, we will break down everything you need to know about German skilled worker visa program, how it works, the benefits, and how you can apply. Germany is facing significant shortage of skilled workers. Fields like IT, engineering, healthcare, and data science are particularly in demand. To address this gap, Germany introduced the Skilled Worker Immigration Act, making it easier for qualified professionals from outside Europe to live and work there in Germany. Indian professionals with their expertise in this field have become one of the top applicants for this visa program. This visa program offers several advantages. So you might be asking, what are these advantages? 1. A pathway to residency. This is a clear route to long-term residence in Germany. Job security. Working in one of Europe's most stable economies, that will mean that you keep your job for the long time. Social benefits to you. You will have access to Germany's robust healthcare, its education system, and retirement system if you so desire to live there long term. What about the high standard of living? A vibrant culture, rich history, and excellent public service awaits you if you eventually do find your way to Germany. But this does not come just like that. You have to meet the eligibility requirement. And for you to qualify, you will need the following. You need to have a recognized bachelor's or master's degrees equivalent to German standard. So there is going to be a comparison from your degree you have from your country matching that of Germany. I'll show you that website that you can use to do that matching. You need also to have at least 2 to 3 years of relevant work experience in the chosen field that you are going to pick in Germany. Then there is the language proficiency in German. You need to have B1 level or higher. It's often required, though some role in IT sector may accept English speakers. Job offer or skill shortage. Either you have a job offer from a German employer or qualification in the field with labor shortage. Now, how do you go about the application process? Let's deal with that now in this section. First and foremost, you need to go to this website called the Anibin. I might not be pronouncing it well, but the Anibin database, that is the website that you are going to use. And you make sure that your qualification meets the German standard. So whatever you have from your home country, you want to compare it. Is it comparable to that of the German standard? That is your BSc. Is this equivalent to BSc? Your master's, is it equivalent to master's? Once you've done that on this website, then you need to move to the next step. Let me share my screen and show you that website.
This is the Anibin website. As you can see, the website is done in German. So good enough, they have a translation service in this website. So you come here, it is anabim.kmk.org. So if you click on this, it gives you the opportunity to translate to English. There is a Google Translator herein. Let's give it a try. So this is the translator. So you just click on English. You see everything has changed to English. So you can navigate the website. So each time it goes back to German, you click the translator again to move it back to English. So on the left-hand side, you can see university degrees, institution, professional qualification, school leaving certificate with university entrance qualification, education system, glossary, document, recognition and advisory center in Germany. So this is the website that you are going to use to compare your qualifications. So I'll leave it. It is part of the video. You can always come back, look at the website and come here and check. So once you've done that, we will move to the very next stage.
The second step that you need to do is to gather the documents. You will need your degrees, certificates, your transcript, your proof of work experience, and proof of language certificates. You will need all of these before you can start the application process. And once you've completed all of these, You will now go to the second website that we are going to look at to find a job. That website is Make It in Germany. We will head over to that site now and see what we could do and what you could do, especially on that website looking for job. Let's go.
So this is the site, makeitingermany.com/EN, which stands for English. So if by chance this website is in German, you come here and you click on EN, which is English. If you understand Spanish, you click on this. If it is French, you click on this. But we are using English for this. While you are here, you want to go click, you can start clicking everything, go through them, working in Germany, and then you see different feeds that you can qualify for. So if you have job experiences from 0 to 2 years, you can click on any of them and check. But for now, let's go to job listing. Let's click on it and see what jobs are available for you. I am not clicking on any of them. That is, I'm not. So there are different occupations, occupation in the healthcare, social sector, teaching and education. This is in construction, and this is traffic and logistics, safety and security, and this is agriculture, forestry, farming, and gardening. There are so many. 6,315 jobs, 1,694, 1,384 jobs, 195 jobs. Now, just keep scrolling down if you want to, else you can use this place to find a specific job. Click on it and type whatever your profession is. Or you can use nursing profession, physician, engineers, IT specialists. Now, let's look at engineers, for example. So you have project engineer, research assistants, supply engineering, medical technologies, business economics, logistics, assistant production management. Let's view the details of this one. Each time you open the details, they are in German. So you will need to translate it to English. So you have a translator here. Once you click on it, it will be translated to the language that you want, so long you've chosen that language. So this is the translated version of it. So scrolling down, you will see, then we look forward to receiving your detailed application documents. Please send them by email to this. This is the email. Or if you have any question, you can phone. This is the phone number. But before you do all of that, sending an email, an application, ensure that you meet all these qualifications. And when you do that, you will be putting yourself in a position where you can be highlighted, spotlighted, and then getting an interview opportunity, then going to Germany. The website is huge. You can come check anything you need to know about working in Germany. EU Blue Card, work visa for qualified professionals, visa for professionally experienced workers, visa for recognized partnership. So you can spend so much time here without giving anybody a dime, getting all the information that you need.
As always, you can also use your LinkedIn profile to find job openings. You should network and connect with employers from Germany, and this can give you a leeway towards getting a job in Germany. So use these profiles very well to increase your chances of landing a job in Germany. Now you've gotten a job. I hope that is the case. The next thing you will need to do is to apply for a visa. You need to submit your application through the German embassy or consulate in India. You may need to attend a visa interview to verify your documents and your intent. What is the timeline? On the average, the process takes about 2 to 3 months, though delays are possible due to high demand or incomplete application. That is why it is very, very good when you are starting out, ensure you check your forms that they are completed And all the information needed are there so that you do not submit and then they ask you go back and bring in other documents. For you to be successful in putting on a good application, you need to tailor your resume. You need to use what we call the Europass CV format to align with the German standard. So you need to get the Europass CV. You need to prepare accurate documents, ensuring that everything is complete and, if necessary, translated into German by a certified translator. It might be a good thing to learn German, even though it is not mandatory for your role. Basic German will help you settle down and stand out in your job market. And you need to be patient with the process. Plan ahead and apply early. At this point, we want to consider some of the common mistakes that you need to avoid when putting in your application. Incomplete application. Missing documents can cause significant delay. Your language oversight. Assuming that your English is not sufficient for the role. Did you take English language proficiency tests to show where your language is currently? Ignoring networking. If you fail to build a connection with German employers, sometimes you might not get a foot at the front door. So networking is with employers is very, very crucial. This makes the employer see you, that you are somebody who is interested in coming over to Germany. If you face any of the issues, contact your nearest German embassy or consulate for guidance. Germany isn't just about work opportunity. It is a lifestyle upgrade for many people who will be going there. From its efficient public transportation to safety and its diverse food and culture, Germany offers an excellent quality of life for professionals and their family. If you are an Indian professional considering German skilled worker visa, now is the time to act. Research, prepare your documents, and take the first step towards building your career in Germany. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and subscribe for more guides on working abroad. Let us know in the comments if you have any question or want us to cover any specific topic. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.